Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a landing page here in Flodesk. All right, so first up, go ahead and log into your Flodesk account. Now, once you're in here, go to the top and these tabs, just go ahead and select Forms. Okay, just click on it, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go to the right-hand side and click on New Form. Okay, just click on it. Now, in here in the left panel, just go ahead and select Full Page. Okay, click on it. Now in here, just choose from Flodesk pre-designed template, or you can go ahead and create your landing page from scratch. All right, for example, I'm just going to use this one. Click on Customize. Now, if you already have a segment, just go ahead and type it down right here and it will show as a drop down. Just click on it and it will be selected. All right, for example, if you don't have any segment, just go ahead and type it down. For example, sample segment. All right, then go ahead and click on the plus sign, which says create sample segment. Click on it. Now hit on save. Wait for it to load. Now in here, you can now go ahead and customize your landing page design. Okay, for example, an image right here, just click on it and upload your own image. Like so, hit on open. Wait for it to load. There you have it. Double click on a text if you want to edit the text. Okay, button colors right here, you can go ahead and change it. Choose the color picker if you want to. Like so. And then once you're happy with the design, you can now go ahead and go to the thank you page if you want to, and edit this one as well. Once done, you can now go ahead and go to share right here at the top right. Click on share and just copy the link and paste this wherever you want. If you're working on an email and you wanted to use a landing page, you can just use this link right here, copy it to the email that you have. It could be on a button, okay? If you don't know how to do it, we have a separate video for it titled How to Add a Link in Flodesk. Basically, that's how you create a landing page here in Flodesk. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.